Hello everyone, myself Baby Rani, working as Assistant Professor in MLR Institute of Technology in Cyber Security and Data Science Department. In today's session, I am going to discuss about Python operators. In the last session, I completed the first arithmetic operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. In today's session, I am going to discuss about assignment operators, comparison operators, special operators. In special operators, again we are having two types, identity operators and the membership operators. The first one, assignment operators. In the assignment operators, we are having equal to symbol plus equal to. So, equal to, if x equal to 5. So, here the equal to specifies that we are assigning the equal to value to a particular variable. So, the equal to is an assignment operator. The next one is the plus equal to. So, here x plus equal to 5 means x is equal to x plus 5. So, we need to add the x value and it comes under the, we'll get the 10. So, the x is the 5 only. So, x plus equal to 5 means x is equal to x plus 5. 5 plus 5 means 10. The next one is the next assignment operator minus 5, minus equal to. X minus equal to 5 means x is equal to x minus 5. So, next one asterisk equal to. This is the multiplication operator. So, we are doing the multiplication here. So, x is equal to 5. X asterisk equal to 5 means x is equal to x into 5. 5 into 5 means 25. And division equal to, modulus equal to, floor equal to, power equal to, unequal to. These are all the assignment operators. Logical are XOR, right shift and the left shift. So, these all comes under the assignment operators only. We will see one by one. The first one is the equal to. So, equal to x is equal to 5. We assign one value to the variable x. Now, we are performing the remaining assignment operators, that is plus equal to 5. X is equal to x plus 5. So, defaultly the x value is 5. X plus equal to 5 means that is x into x plus 5 means 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So, here we are performing the 10. Now, the x is updated to 10. So, now again we are performing the next assignment operator minus is equal to, means x is equal to x minus 5. So, the x is updated as 10. 10 minus 5 means again the x is 5 only. So, the x minus 5 result is 5. Now, the x is updated now as 5. Now, we are performing the multiplication assignment operator, that is x is equal to x into 5. 5 into 5 means 25. The next one, x divided by equal to 5. This is the division assignment operator, means x equal to x divided by 5. So, now the x value is 25 divided by 5. So, it will divisible by 5. The remainder value is 0. So, it is divisible by, so 5 into 5 is 25. Remainder is 0. The divisible value is the 5. So, that's why it is printing the out 5 times it will be cancelled. The next one, we are performing the modulus equal to. This is the, so here the x value is 5. X modulus equal to 5 means x is equal to x modulus of 5. 5 modulus of 5 means it results 0. The remainder value is 0. It will cancel one time. So, we will get the remainder value, that is 0. So, the resultant is, now the x value is 0. The next one, we are performing the floor division. So, here we are doing the x equal to x floor division of 5. The x is updated in the previous output 0, 5. It is also will get the 0 value only. So, the x is 0. Now, x power of 5 means x equal to x power of 5. 0 power of 5 means 0 only. That's why it results 0. Now we are taking the y value, y is equal to 4. Now we are performing the bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR. So here bitwise and y is basically the y is equal to 4. Now we are doing the y unequal to 5 means y is equal to y and 5. 5, so y value is 4, 4 and 5. 4 basically it is a bitwise. 4 means 100 and 101. Means we'll get the same thing, and means if both the statements are true, it will be true. So 100, 101. So 4 value it is, and this is the 5th value. We are performing the AND operation means if both the statements are true, it will be true. If one of the statement is true, also it will be false. 0, 1 means 0. 0, 0 means 0. 1, 1 means 1. Means the result is 4. So we performed the AND operation. We got the 4. Now again y are equal to 4. This is the bitwise OR here. Now the y is updated as 4. Y or 5. 4 or 5 means 4 means 100, 5 means 101. So here any one of the input is true, it will be true. If both the inputs are false, it is a false. 0, 1, 1. So it is the R, bitwise R. 0, 0 means 0. 1, 1 means 1. Means it results 5. So this is the OR operation. The output is 5. Next one, XOR. If in the XOR operation, if both the inputs are different, it will be true. So here y XOR equal to 5 means y equal to y XOR 5. Here also the y value is 5 only. So 5 XOR 5. 5 means in bitwise. So we need to convert that data into bit data, means 101. So 101 XOR 101. So if both the inputs are different, it will be true in XOR operation. 1, 1 means 0. Same inputs are there, 0, 0. So that's why the y is 0 only. The y value is updated as 0. Now we are performing the right shift and the left shift operations. So here now the y value is 0. We are performing the right shift operation. Y right shift equal to 5 means y is equal to y right shift of 5. Y value is 0. 0 right shift of 5 means it results y equal to 0 only. And again with the help of the y value is 0, again we are performing the left shift also, the resultant 0. These are the assignment operators. So now we are going to the next one, comparison operator. So we are having so many comparison operators are there. The first one is the double equal to. The comparison of the double equal to is used to compare the two values or two variables. So here we are taking a is equal to 5 and b equal to 10. So now I am comparing the a with b. So a equal to b. So 5 is not equal to b. That's why it displays false. If the a and b values both are same, it displays true. Next one, not equal to. It's the same example. 5 not equal to b. 5 not equal to 10. Yes, it is true. So the 5 is different, the value 5 and the value 10 is different. So it will be true. If both are same, 5 not equal to 5 means it will be false. The next one, greater than or less than. If the values of two operands are not equal, then the condition becomes true. It is same as a not equal to. So a greater than less than b is true. This is similar to not equal to operator. So 5 not equal to b, or 5 not equal to 10, or 5 10. The next one is the greater than. If the value of the left operand is greater than the value of right operand, then the condition becomes true. For example, I am taking A equal to 100, B equal to 20. So the left operand is greater than right operand. So yes, it is true. The A is 100. So it is compared with it is greater value only. So it will be true. The next one is the less than. If the value of the left operand is less than the value of right operand. So here I am taking A equal to 50, B equal to 300. 50 less than 300. Yes, the right operand is greater than compared to left operand is a greater value. So it is the less than value. We are comparing with the 50 with 50 less than 300. So it is the greater value. It displays true. The next one, greater than or equal to. It is same as a greater than. A greater than or equal to B is not true. So here also A equal to 100, B equal to 100. So A greater than or equal to B. Yes, it is true. It is equal. Next one, less than or equal. So A equal to 100, B equal to 100 also. So A less than or equal to B. So both are same only. It is equal, less than or equal. So these are the comparison operators. Example for comparison operators. So here x equal to 10, y equal to 12. So x greater than y is false because the x is x equal to 10 and the y. So we are comparing with the 10 with 12. Yes, it is false. 12 is greater than. So x less than, x greater than y is false. Next one, x less than y means 10 less than 12. Yes, it is true. 12 is the greater value compared to 10. That's why x less than y is true. The next example is we are comparing with the x with y. So 10 equal to 12. Both are not equal because that's why it is displaying false. X equal to y is false. Next example, x not equal to y is true. So in the previous example, x equal to 10, y equal to 12. So 10 not equal to 12. Yes, both are not same. So that's why it displays true. Next, 10 greater than or equal to 12. No, false. The next one, 10 less than or equal to 12. Yes, it is greater than value. That's why it is true. So these are the examples for comparison operators. Next one, special operator. This is the last one. So the special operators. Python language offers some special type of operators like identity operator and membership operator. So now we'll go for the first one, identity operators. Identity operators are, we are having two identity operators, is not. Is and is not are the identity operators in Python. So they are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. So if you want to check if both the variable values are located in the same location or not. For example, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. If both the values are same, means in Python it stores the values with the followed by a tag. The followed by a tag is a variable only. So the value is located in one particular location. It is tagged to x as well as the y because both are having the same value. If it is the different values are there, then only it stores in the different location. If the values both are same, means it locates in the same location and tags to the variables. X is 5 and y is also 5. So here the identity operator, it is used to check the two values are located in the same part of the memory. The values are there means it is located in the same location. So two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. So sometimes we are going for the lists. The list contains 1, 2, 3. The values are same, but it is located in some other different location. We will see that example also. Now, first one is true if the operands are identical. If operands are if the location is same means we can say that both are identical. If the values are same means it is identical. X equal to 5, Y equal to 5. Yes, both are identical. So, X is true. Both are having the same values. Is not, or same location also we can say that it is the identical. It is true. Is not true if the operands are not identical. So, the X is stored in one location and the Y is stored in some other location. So, at that case, it is showing true. X is not true because the X is stored in one location and Y is stored in another location because they are not identical. So, these are the in special operators. We are having the first one, identity operators, is and is not. So, here is the one example, x1 equal to 5 and y1 equal to 5. Again, x2 equal to hello, y2 equal to hello. x3 equal to, it is a list representation. The list contains 3 elements, 1, 2, 3 and y3. So, x1, y1 are the same values are there. x2, y2 same values are there and x3, y3 same values are there. So, we need to check whether it is stored in the same location or not. If it is same location, we are saying that it will be true. So, print x1 is y1. So, here we are comparing the locations. x1 is y1. Yes. So, it is true. Both are, because it is following the tagging system. So, both the statements are stored in one location only. The next one, x1 is not y1. So, it displays false because both the variables having the same value means it's stored in the same location. Next one, x2 is y2. Yes, both are the same values. So, it is stored in the same location only. It displays true. x2 is y2, true. x3 is y3. It is false. Because this is the list representation. If all the values are same only, but it represents it, the variables are different. So, these are the values. This is the list. It contains list of elements. So, here we can update the values, we can delete the values. So, that's why it is not stored in the same location. That's why the ID means the address of the location of the X3 is different. The address location of the Y3 is different. So, it is placed in different locations. That's why X3 is Y3. Even though the values are same, but it displays false because of the list. If the single value is, means it is stored in the one location only. It is the multiple values are there. So, it is placed in some other location. X3 is not Y3. Yes, the locations are different. So, it displays true. So, see here. We see that x1 and y1 are integers of the same values. So, they are equal as well as identical. So, x1 5, y1 5, 5 equal to 5. So, the location is same. And hello equal to hello. The locations also same. That's why both are got the true result. The next one. But x3, y3 are the lists. So, list is we are represent. The list is it is also a one data type. It is used to store the different data types, the data values here. We can store the same data type values or different data type values also. They are equal but not identical. Because not identical means the locations are different. So, it is because the interpreter locates them separately in memory although they are equal. So, if the same values are there, but it is located in the different locations. That's why ID X of 3 not equal to ID Y3. It will be true. So, now we are going to the membership operators. So, the membership operators also comes under the special operators. In and not in are the membership operators. In and not in. So, they are used to test whether a value or a variable is found in a sequence. So, if you want to find out hello, in that H is present or not. H is in the string, means we are using the in. So we need to check whether the particular character is there or not, whether the particular value is there or not in that sequence. At that case, we are using the membership operators. So here, in and not in. True if the value is found. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in x, it displays true because the x contains the 5 value. Next one, not in. True if the value or variable is not found in the sequence. 5 not in x, it displays. So 5 is already there. So it displays false. For example, x contain only 3 values, 1, 2, 3. 5 not in x, it displays true. So it is checking whether the particular value or the character or the particular substring, whether it is found in that entire string or the variable. It is used to check whether the value is present or not. If it is present, we are using the in means if it is present, it displays true. If not in means if it is not there means it displays true. So one example, x is equal to hello world, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. So here print h1 in h in x. So x value is hello world. In that h is there, it displays true. Next one, print hello in x. So we are representing with we are taking one word. So the representation is, even though the meaning is same, it is the capital letter is not. So it is checking it is not there. H is not there. So that will be false. Next, print h not in x. H is there. So it displays false. Print hello not in x. Hello is not there. So it displays true. Next, print 1 in y. Yes, 1 is present in the list. So true. Print 5 in y. 5 is not there in the list. So false. So up to now we completed what are the operators we are having. So in this session we completed the assignment operators, and the next one is the comparison operators, special operators. Now we are going to the Python operator precedence. If you want to calculate any equation, we need to follow the precedence. So we are depending on the precedence. So means which one we have to calculate first. Which value is having, which operator is having the more weight. So we need to find out that. So for that purpose, we are using the precedence there. So the bracket is having the more precedence compared to all. After that, function call is having the more precedence. Next, slicing. So we are specifying in the, for example, if we want to access the a is equal to 1, 2, 3. I am writing a of 2. This is the more precedence. The next one, subscription, index values, attribute references, powers. So these are the precedence, high to low. So the highest precedence is power. The next one, function call, slicing, subscription and attribute. These are all in the C subject also. In the C programming also we are following the precedence. So next one, power, bitwise not. After that, positive and negative values. Next, multiplication, division, remainder. So addition, subtraction. Means here is the unary, plus x, minus x. These all also have the highest precedence compared to the addition and subtraction. Next one, bitwise shifts, right shift and the left shift. After that, bitwise and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, and the comparison operators, comparison, membership and the identity. Equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Next, membership operators, in, not in, identity, is not. So these are the precedence. Next one, boolean not x, boolean and, boolean or, and lambda expression. So these are the precedence we are following. First we are giving precedence to the brackets. So in this we are following in the math subject also, in the 5th to 10th classes we are following the Bodomaster. So brackets, addition, subtraction, multiplication, Bodomas means. So here we are following the division, multiplication, brackets, brackets, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In this way, here also we are having the different operations are there, bitwise and bitwise or. So here this is the precedence of that. So in this way, we are calculating the any equation. So highest precedence at top, lowest at bottom. This is the lowest precedence. Operators in the same box, evaluate the left to right. So we are following the left to right only in this way. Left to right. We are following the brackets. So this is the section. Thank you.